cheap toilet seat hack here from Don Moody of HandymanReality.com. Got a toilet seat that keeps going loose and does this sort of thing. Drives you nuts like it does me. Well, you can just pop the caps open. Underneath there, you'll find a screw that has a can be opened with either a flathead wrench or a screwdriver, pardon me, or a quarter. You pull this up, and on a high-end toilet seat, what would normally be here is a rubber gasket. So the simplest thing to do, take some regular household silicone, put it around the hole on each one, and then reinstall the seat. Let it dry for a day if you can, as long as you can, and your seat will stop coming loose and will stop moving around. This has been Don Moody, HandymanReality.com.